Barangay Ginebra returns to the Commissioner's Cup Championship for the first time in 5 years. After banking on Justin Brownlee's 44-point game in their Game 3 win, the Gin Kings relied on a balanced attack this time to finish off rain or shine, 96-94, in 4 games of their best-of-5 semi-series at the Araneta Coliseum on Monday, July 23. Greg Slaughter finished with 19 points, 6 rebounds and 3 assists, and Joe Devance chalked up 19 points, 6 assists and 2 steals as Ginebra booked a best-of-7 finals date against sister team San Miguel. While the two big men carried the scoring load, it was the backcourt duo of Tenorio and Scottie who willed the Gin Kings to triumph. Tenorio scored 5 of his output in the final 3 minutes, highlighted by a floater that gave Ginebra a 95-90 lead with 39 seconds left, while Thompson hauled in 2 emphatic rebounds in the final 2 minutes and made the game-sealing steal. Tenorio chipped in 16 points, 6 assists, 3 rebounds and 3 steals, while Thompson added 6 points, 10 rebounds and 3 steals. Brownlee was limited to 12 points, his lowest scoring output in the series, but still flirted with a triple-double after tallying 17 rebounds and 8 assists. Reggie Johnson paced the Elasto Painters with 22 points, 16 rebounds, 5 assists, 3 steals and 2 blocks. The scores: Ginebra, 96, Slaughter 19, Devance 19, Tenorio 16, Brownlee 12, Chan 9, Thompson 6, J. Aguilar 6, Cagayo 4, Mercado 3, Ferrer 2, R. Aguilar 0, Mariano 0. Rain or shine, 94, Johnson 22, Almazan 13, Borbrin 11, Washington 11, Yap 10, Norwood 8, Tu 7, Ponferrada 4, Nambatak 3, Dakwiog 3, Belga 2, Ahan Missy 0. Quarter scores: 25-20, 47-40, 73-67, 96-94.